Okay guys, I got it halfway out, as you can see. As you can see, it's halfway there. So what I'm gonna do now is use this gun that I have and try to get it all the way out. See? Let's see what happens. Just keep spinning. I guess I gotta keep tapping it. There's probably a better way to do it, but I'm kind of in a rush right now. So this is the best option for me right now. Just keep banging it until I get it out. I can use a punch to get it out. I'm gonna use a punch. I'm gonna put this punch like right there. Kind of at an angle. And like try to punch it out. See if that helps, and then